Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 11, leçon R. And in this lesson we'll continue the thing that we've been starting 4 videos ago. So the topic is identical words in English and French, and we'll only focus on the EON, so the words that will end with EON in English, and that will be the same in French, but then keep in mind that, of course, it must exist in French, because it's not the case for all the words in EON. So be careful. That's the reason why I wanted to make this huge list, but then after that you'll know which one exists in French. And then remember that in some cases the word will a little bit change. So you've got the example here. Will become A, and then Z will become S. Okay. Description, désignation, désolation, déstabilisation, destination, destruction, détection, détention, détérioration, détermination, détonation, dévaluation, dévastation, déviation, diction, diffusion, digestion, dilatation, dimension, diminution, direction, discrimination, discussion, disposition, disqualification, dissociation, distinction, distribution, diversification, diversion, divination, division, documentation, domiciliation, domination, donation, dotation, dramatisation, duplication, ébullition, éclosion, édification, édition, éducation, élaboration, électrocution, élévation, élimination, élocution, élucidation. And that's it for this list of 50 words. If you want more videos, then it's youtube.com/imagier. Please like me on Facebook, facebook.com/imagier.net. And then more material can be found there, www.imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye bye.